maybe if you see, how did land reforms in some part of the country help to improve the socio-economic conditions of marginal and small farmers? I'm sorry, of marginal and small farmers. Again, static cheese. You write an introduction. After this, if you have space, you can draw a small micro diagram that is highlighting the key objectives of land reforms, and then you can jump on to the main demand of the question, that is land reforms and its impact on small farmer. Once you're done with it, impact, again, when I'm talking about impact, bifurcate into the 4 provisions: abolition of land of intermediaries, there were tenancy reforms, land ceiling reforms the, and this is something that was not asked but peeled right. Challenges, the pressing challenges. Agriculture, we know, is a state subject, so states, they are unwilling to implement certain reforms. There are certain loopholes in the laws, public apathy, and lack of digitalization. Once we have written this, अगर आपके पास स्पेस बचता है तो measures that have been taken, मेजर तो इसमें जो लैंड रिकॉर्ड मॉडर्नाइजेशन प्रोग्राम है इंडिया का, that will come. We have the Swamitva scheme under Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. You can also mention some state-based schemes on digitalization of land records. ये आपको सेकेंड ARC से मिल जाएंगी. सेकेंड ARC. And then doubling of farmers' income and growth in double digits hinges on the improved agrarian productivity. Thus, second generation land reforms or land reform 2.0, they are envisaged or keeping in mind the role of women. They must be framed and implemented in letter and spirit. Why we are talking about women when we are talking about land reforms? This is because in rural landscape, if you see, almost 75 to 80% women, they are engaged in agricultural activity. But अगर आप इनकी land ownership देखेंगे, according to this agri census of 2015 and 16, this is not even 15%, कुछ 13-14% ही है. So land reforms 2.0, they must be implemented, and role of women is very important. इसको highlight करना बहुत important है. That is why we are saying this. And with this, there was, I think, only one question we had in our module on the land reforms.